Okay.
Spell.
Okay. Get your taco out.
Okay. Okay, we.
Okay, can you give me one?
I'll be one. I'll buy you one.
Okay, thank you. Oh, bless you, baby.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
on
take-
turn. I'm
take-
on turn.
Okay, take your time and rub it on your taco. Take your time. Right?
Oops. See.
Good. Take it to here. Why don't you hold your taco down with your thumb? Okay. Good job. I think you need more. What is that you're putting on there? What is that?
Down.
What is that?
Puppies.
Black beans. Okay. All you need to do is spread it, baby. Just spread it.
Okay.
When you spread it, you can use the back of the spoon.
Spoon.
Good. Is that enough black beans?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be pretty big. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm really glad I just cleaned out the table. Okay, and what else do you want on your street taco? What do you want on there?
I'll just.
Black olives. You love black olives. Can I have some? You took them all. You don't want your grandma to have none? Okay.
We can store.
Huh?
We can just store about others.
Oh, we need to go get some more from the store?
We can store about others.
But actually, we have some more in the refrigerator. So, did you want lettuce? Lettuce, street taco? You want lettuce? Okay. Do you want onions? You want sour cream?
You get no more. Making no others. You've been making no others.
Yeah, I'll open some more.
Making no others.
We'll get some more.
You know, that you. Thank you. No more. I got mine.
You have yours?
You know, I got yours.
I don't have mine, but you have yours?
Yeah.
That's not fair.
Huh.
Oh, thank you. You gave your grandma 2. Thank you.
Huh.
Thank you for sharing. You gave me 3. Thank you. That was nice. Now,
Are you?
let me. I'm gonna give you some lettuce to put on. Okay?
You turn.
Thank you for sharing your black olives with me. That was so nice of you. Now you can put your lettuce on.
That's my weapon on.
Is that your lettuce? What kind of lettuce is this?
But this,
Is it romaine lettuce?
everywhere this,
Romaine lettuce.
where we're doing like this.
Yes. So, put that amount of lettuce you want on there.
D.
Ooh, can I have some? I didn't get none.
You get some. You get nuts.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. You want red onions?
Yes.
Okay.
It's what onions.
Yes.
You want?
Yeah, I like them too.
I want it too.
Yes, I like them too. Alrighty. There you go. You gonna put a couple on there? Okay, get some. I'll get a couple too.
I got packet too.
Yeah. Remember the onions are hot, so don't put them by your eyes until we wash our hands, okay? You need more?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
It's a toy.
did you want salsa?
I put it in my.
Okay. How do you pour it?
I pour
Slow, right?
Slow.
Slow. Good job.
So.
Okay.
You get yours.
And did you want sour cream?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Oops. What in the world?
You thought
Right.
you sorry.
I dropped it on my shirt.
Yes, you
Okay.
thought so.
Let's squeeze. All around. Okay. That's gonna be good.
Yummy, yummy.
Is that gonna be good?
Mm-hmm.
So can you pick it up?
I pick it up.
Oh, it's gonna be kind of weird. Oh, it's gonna be big.
It's so big.
It is so big. It's really big.
What big?
That's because you have so many black beans.
They eat this.
Huh?
Eat this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a hold of it.
You need help? You want me to hold it? Okay. Eat off your plate. Good job. Wow. Choo choo choo. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
What do you taste? What do you taste?
Taste.
What is it in there? What's in there?
Mm.